Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Will Faulkner. I'm a photographer based in Melbourne, Australia. At this point in time, I specialise in portraits and commercial product photography. Today I've just finished 2 portrait family shoots. Is that the correct terminology? Family portraiture photo shoots. They went really well. We've got the canvas backdrop again today, and if you are following my channel and you saw the last video, you would have seen I swore not to use this again. But after editing the photos from last time, I really liked the way that the light fell off real canvas. When I say real canvas, the alternative is to use a grey seamless background and add textures later in Photoshop. But the way light falls on real canvas, there's a lot to be said for it, particularly if you've got seams running through your canvas and little errors and problems with your canvas. That all comes up really nice and it looks authentic. So I've gone and brought this one again, and it's a big heavy beast of a thing, but it is my go-to backdrop at the moment. I did pull out a black seamless paper backdrop for a couple of the shots at the end for the kid dressed up as Batman, but overall this was my setup. Now I've got the Pro Photo XL Deep umbrella. That's a silver umbrella with the white diffusion panel over the front, and I've got the Pro Photo medium shallow white umbrella acting as fill. There's a little Godox AD200 in there. I'll take you guys through one item that I thought you might benefit from. Is something I've just added. I've got 4 of them. Where's the best one to see? Up here you can see one of these guys. These black kind of straps that have got a carabiner on them, and they hook onto your canvas if your canvas has got eyelets like mine has, and then they hook over anything like your C-stand or your light stand or whatever. And I've got one there and I've got one across the other side, and they just work really, really well. And there's a second little carabiner just there. I'll see if I can focus on it. So there's a second carabiner just there that I hook over the boom arm of the C-stand, and then there's a light stand behind it. I'll show you guys. There's a light stand back there that just pulls up the little bit of slack that is left in the middle, and it pulls up nice and tight. And I've got another couple of them over here. So this, you would normally see a shot bag here, but shot bags are $50 each, and I had these 15 kilo weights already. So I've got another couple of these little hook things, I think they're called shore hooks. And they work really well. So that's just, it's tight on there, it's hooked onto there, and it's just adding some counterweight against the C-stand. The C-stand is set up properly, so, you know, longest arm 45, longest leg rather, 45 degrees that way. But 15 kilo weights on there, and I have no stress whatsoever, okay? So that's basically all there is to it, guys. I'll put the shots up on screen, and yeah, don't be afraid of doing these on location portrait photo shoots. I would say that this umbrella, the fill umbrella today, is much easier, much easier than using my large bounce reflector. So I've got one of those full-size, full-body bounce reflectors. This thing was much better. I can raise this up and down, so I had it down really low, as you can see here for the kids shots, then up higher for the adult shots. And because it's a shallow umbrella, it spills out nicely across the background. And it was set on, what is it, 1/16th, I don't know if you can see that, 1/16th of power. And that's a little Godox AD200 Pro. They work really well as fill lights. I know Pro Photo is probably going to be upset with me if they're watching this, for using a Pro Photo umbrella with a Godox light, but you know, I'm not sponsored by anyone, so I do whatever I want. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.